So this is a DS question which tells me that if x and y are the lengths of the legs of a right angle triangle, what is the value of xy? Now let's first understand what do we mean by the legs of a right angle triangle. So if I draw a right angle triangle ABCD, okay, and the side AB and BC contain the angle 90 degree. So AB side and BC side, they are referred to as the legs of the triangle ABC. Okay, and we have to find the value of x and y. Suppose we take the length of AB as x and BC as y. Okay, we need to find the value of x times y. And another thing that we can write here is, since it is a right angle triangle, we can write x squared plus y squared equals the hypotenuse squared. So this is all the information given in the question, and this is everything that I can infer just from the question stem. So let's move on to step 2 and analyze the statement 1. Now the statement 1 tells me that the hypotenuse of the triangle is 10 root 2. This means I can use the Pythagoras theorem, x squared plus y squared, which would give me 10 root 2 whole squared. And this, on further simplification, gives me x squared plus y squared equals 200. Now let's see what possible values can I get. Okay, so let's take the first value under case 1. Now if x takes the value 10 and y takes the value 10, right? So 10 squared plus 10 squared would give you 200. So this satisfies the relation x squared plus y squared equals 200. Okay, but we have to make sure that the value of x and y is unique. So let's try to come up with another case where the sum of the squares of the x and y is equal to 200. So if I take the value of x as 14 and y is 2, or vice versa, you can also take the value of x as 2 and y is 14, there's not an issue. But yes, these two values combine, so x squared plus y squared would give you 196 plus 4, which is also going to give you 200. So here the values of x and y were 10 and 10 respectively, and here it's 14 and 2. So two different values. I would be getting two different products. Here the product would be 100 and here the product would be 28. So since I'm getting two different values, statement 1 is not sufficient. And out of the given options, to me, I can eliminate answer option A and D. Now let's move on to statement 2. As per the information given in statement 2, the area of triangle ABC is equal to 50. Now I know the area of a right angle triangle. This is equal to half times base times height. Okay, so if I plug in the values, okay, base is y, height is x, this will be equal to 50. This means I can write yx equals 100, or since it's multiplication, I can write y as xy. This is also going to give me 100. So I am able to find the value of the product of x and y from the information given in statement 2. So statement 2 is definitely sufficient, and thus the correct answer is option B.